Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am right now on my way to a bridal shower, and I thought today could be my first day that I vlog. I don't have my like my camera because it's just way too big to be trying to like take around and record myself out in public. It's just way too big, so I thought I would just use my phone because why not. Yeah, so that's gonna be the start of today's vlog. So far, the only thing I have like set in stone is the bridal shower. That's the only thing that I have set in stone, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for this today, but your girl put some makeup on. I will let you guys know and check in throughout the day. All right, so I will see you guys when we get to the bridal shower. So we made it to the bridal shower. It's been going on for a few hours now. Everybody's in here. Let's see if I can get a little glimpse of them. They're all in there taking pictures. It's pretty nice. It's like a really old school, like old style type of house. It's really cool. It's really nice. We're at Six Flags. So yeah. Good TC squad. I am back with another video. Today is going to be a different type of video. I believe I'm just going to add this vlog onto like my other vlogs that I did. If I do, you guys will know exactly what I'm talking about. I have like footage from other days that I was supposed to be vlogging all day, but things happen, and yeah. So currently it is about 2:30, I believe. Yep, so it's about 2:33 right now, and honestly I haven't gotten together everything that I want to do today. The only thing I have set in stone is to go get my lashes done, and that is going to be really interesting. So I do plan on wrapping up the vlog today, so I don't know exactly what we're going to do after I get my lashes done, but I will keep you guys updated. So I'm going to go get my lashes done, and I will tune back in and let you guys know how's it going. If they're cute, we will all know very shortly. So see y'all after I get my lashes done. All right, we're gonna have to wrap up this vlog iPhone style because my camera's downstairs and I'm lazy. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick my eyelashes because I did tell y'all earlier that I was getting them done. Honestly, I really think that they did a good job. It doesn't really matter where I get my eyelashes done. It does just take a few days for me to kind of decide if I love them because they come out and, you know, stuff like that. So, yep, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up today's vlog. I'm so happy to finally be ending this video. Like, I feel like it's been over the course of so many days, and it's crazy because it's not what I had envisioned. But, yeah, so hopefully I'll go ahead and get an intro and an outro like made and like everything like that, so I can upload more often and my content can be a little bit more consistent. But yeah, that was pretty much my day. I'm about to just go downstairs, cook with my mom, and that's all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. I do plan on uploading more, and now that I've uploaded my first vlog, I feel like I'm going to be uploading more often because after you get it done the first time, it's kind of easier to just kind of get in the flow of it and everything like that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.